My guess is a little volcano.
If I had to guess, that's what I would say.
I do like lemon.
Well, I had plenty of warning this time, so.
Oh, here we go.
Ready?
Yep.
Yep.
Ready. There we go.
All right.
Get it, Dan?
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, yeah.
Right there.
There you go. I don't usually do that with mine.
There you go.
Right. Good sparkle.
Woo!
Right.
Yeah.
Has no salt to do that.
There's I. More fire.
Oh, that's funny.
There it is. There you go. Let's go ahead and throw them on
It's like you're on pot.
there. Yeah, I'm like having a good time.
Or you can put your sake there and then leave it all
Right, there you go.
Al Pacino says, say hello to my little friend.
Yeah, say hello to my little friend.
All right.
Delicious. That was great.
Oh,